Craft beer lovers know some of the best brews never make it to store shelves, being sold exclusively in the brewery's tap room. But what if someone could bring the tap room to you? That's the idea behind today's adventures. Dylan Wallenhouse introduces us to a pair of drinking buddies turned business partners and their business, Running Tap.
Beer Me, Minnesota, we have reblossomed into a state of beer. 112 breweries to be exact, ranking 16th in the nation.
I think it was like 6 months of just drinking beer and like not thinking anything of it, that we were like, maybe this is something that we ought to go into.
For Isaac Tutt, the quality of beer is not what was missing, rather a way to get it delivered to your home.
Like if everybody that liked beer could get this kind of exposure, I thought it would make everybody's life better. So, you know.
Both he and his business partner, Christopher Ho, met at St. Olaf College. Later, they started Running Tap, a service that caters to the craft beer lovers by connecting with local breweries.
It was just typical, how sucky is your corporate job type talk, you know?
They've partnered with 19 breweries around the state, and more are to come to deliver fresh and taproom exclusive beers. An unlikely start in entrepreneurship if you consider Tutt's path to get here.
If you could imagine, like, you know, coming from South Sudan, basically we were escaping war, and that's how we ended up going to the refugee camp. And so there was a bunch of hardship.
That was 1999 when Tutt and his family came to the U.S. from South Sudan.
It's a story that makes me. So everything I do kind of comes with that whole background.
A story of beer lovers creating a business to share in the brewing boom. In Minneapolis, Dylan Wallenhouse, KARE 11 News.
You can learn more about Running Tap and submit an idea for an adventure of your own. Go to KARE11.com and click on Features.